Methods for increasing testosterone in men. A man's testosterone levels are related to sexual health, and a decrease in testosterone levels may affect his sexual ability, so some people seek ways to increase testosterone naturally rather than using hormonal treatments, and in this video, we will discuss ways to increase testosterone in the body without using medications. Natural methods for increasing testosterone. Some strategies that help men raise testosterone include: exercise is one of the most popular ways to boost testosterone and erection in men, as it improves body health and helps avoid diseases that impair sexual health, and sport is necessary to keep the weight from the increase that produces a hormonal imbalance. Eat nutritious foods. A good diet, especially meals rich in proteins, carbs, and healthy fats, can help raise testosterone in food, and eating healthy foods helps maintain weight. Avoid stress and anxiety, because there is a close relationship between psychological state and testosterone levels in the body. It is recommended to avoid stressors that cause an increase in cortisol in the body, which lowers the male hormone, and to learn stress reduction techniques such as yoga and meditation. Increasing vitamin D levels in the body. Because vitamin D is important in increasing testosterone in men, it is recommended to be exposed to sunlight and check vitamin D levels in the body, and if you are deficient in vitamin D, you should consult a doctor to get vitamin D supplements in proportion to the situation. Consume zinc-rich foods. Zinc-rich foods may help enhance testosterone and support sexual health, and if you have a testosterone shortage, you should visit your doctor about taking zinc supplements. Consume magnesium-rich foods. Magnesium-rich diets can help men enhance their testosterone levels. Sleep enough. One of the most significant factors in raising testosterone is getting a decent amount of sleep every day, which should be at least 7 hours for adults, since lack of sleep raises stress and negatively impacts a healthy lifestyle. Foods with more testosterone. Some meals may help men increase their testosterone levels, most notably meat and poultry. Lean meat, poultry, fish, and eggs are among the most popular foods for increasing testosterone in males. Fatty fish, because they include vitamin D, fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel may aid in testosterone production. Spinach includes a lot of magnesium, which is good for raising testosterone levels in the body. Oysters provide a substantial amount of the body's zinc requirements, which aids in testosterone production in males. Pomegranate. Eating or drinking pomegranate juice may lower blood pressure and enhance mood by reducing stress hormones and so raising testosterone in the body. Herbs that boost testosterone. Herbs can help men raise testosterone, but it is best to consult with your doctor first to learn about potential side effects and suitable amounts. Among these herbs are: garlic is one of the most popular herbs for increasing testosterone in males, and it also helps enhance the quality and health of sperm by containing high quantities of a natural phytochemical called flavonoids, which may preserve sperm from harm, and this also applies to onions. Ginger is well known for its fertility-boosting properties, and it may also help enhance testosterone naturally and improve sperm quality. Ashwagandha is one of the most well-known herbs for increasing testosterone in males, increasing sperm count, improving their health, and promoting sexual wellness in general. Pine bark extract may help treat impotence and boost testosterone, but more research is needed, and it is best to see a doctor first before using it because it might produce adverse effects in some people.